As it is our custom, we'd start today's session with a big thank you to the heartwarming commendations we received from the last video upload on part 2 of the Unlimited Card Arbitrage series. You're right. We gave no hint as to a part 3 coming out. Well, we do have quite a number of tricks up our sleeves and reward loyalty too. Surprise! Consider this a bonus session. We are constantly working on improving our mints, hence, we'd share with you too so you benefit. The goal is to provide you with at least 10 solid income streams on the digital space in 3 months. We're not capping about it. We do have a roadmap to accomplish this. You can expedite the process by becoming a part of the circle. Do reach out to Jarvis in the description of this video for more inquiries. By the way, I'm Tony, and you at OMMICANGS. If this is your first time hearing the name, I welcome you to the space. Sit tight. It's worth the ride. Why today's session, Tony? It's definitely not to choke the circle off or down your throats. In today's session, you might want to get a pen and paper for this one. Don't worry, go on ahead, I'll wait for you. Just kidding. I'm so not waiting. Buying from Rdc with PYYPL card has its flaws. We will be showing you those in today's session. Of course, for every problem there is a solution. Hence, we will be introducing to you an alternate way to perform this arbitrage that would benefit you and give you maximum profit. Thirdly, we will be sharing 5 promo codes free in this session. Do watch this session to its end to benefit from it. And last but not least, by rule of en passant, we would be showing the doubting Thomas in the room how to fund their PYYPL card from Binance. You wouldn't need it for this arbitrage anymore, but for future use perhaps. We are showing you a more profitable way in today's session. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, turn on the notifications bell, and share this video to all you'd want to be part of this. Kindly note, today's session does not nullify the part 1 and 2 of the previous videos in this series. In fact, it complements it, as we would not be discussing how to use the new alternative on Rdc, nor how to redeem your voucher, in this session. You can find all these in the previous sessions. That cleared, let's grind. How to fund your PYYPL direct from Binance. First, log into PYYPL. Next, tap on Top Up. You'll get a page with the various top-up methods. Tap on Top Up with Crypto. Select Binance. Tap on Top Up on next screen. Now let's deviate a bit and pick a flyer. Notice that 1 USDT equals 99 cents when you try to top up on PYYPL. If you loading 5 USDT, you'll be getting $4.95. That's a charge you do not want. You would need to load 202.02 USDT to get $200. That's minus $2.02 off your profit. It doesn't end there. Let's proceed to tap on Top Up to complete the process. You'll get a pop-up, select Binance app, and you'll be directed to Binance app from PYYPL. Now, notice flaw number 2, you'll be prompted to top up via BUSD instead of USDT. You might not know it, but BUSD is a bit higher than USDT on Binance. Hence, you have to pay about an extra $3 for conversion in this case. Hope you're doing the math. Don't worry, it's not algebra, it's money math. It's easier. Let's do it. First, you're charged $2.02 as PYYPL fee to load, plus $3 as conversion and transaction fee from Binance, which equals $5.02 off your profit margin. Sadly, it doesn't end there. There's also a 2% charge by PYYPL for any transaction you make using their virtual card. 2% of $200 equals $4. Add it to the previous and you'll be down $9.02 in total, from a $12 profit margin. That's not good. To add salt to injury, the verification requirement on PYYPL is passport only. If you don't have a passport, you're warrior. They really stashed quite a number of bad eggs on this one. Don't get me wrong, PYYPL is a great platform. In terms of service and support, they excel. But, for this particular arbitrage, it's a no-no. Here, let me introduce you to our darling Klasha. A sweet name with no hidden charges.
Hello?
Klasha. An app that enables you make international online transactions from Africa seamlessly. They offer you a virtual card, domiciled in USD for that purpose. Drawback is, in order for you to load your virtual dollar card, you'd have to top up at black market rate. I'll show you what I mean. If you don't have the Klasha app, head over to the App Store or Play Store or whichever store you want and search for Klasha. It should look like this. Install, sign up for an account, and verify the account using your BVN or NIN. Any would work. That's their first plus. Anyone can benefit from this app. Makes sense. Log into the app. You can tap on Fund Wallet to top up your account via bank transfer. You'll get an NGN account to send to and all. Those are baby stuffs everyone can do. Let's just skip to the part of how to load the virtual card. Tap on the card icon. Tap on Fund Card. You'll be funding at 751.11 Naira to $1. It's a fair deal. It's just slightly higher than the Binance P2P market by just 3 Naira or so. And there are no extra charges. Let's assume we fund with $200. We will be paying 150,222 Naira. Remember to fund your Naira wallet first via bank transfer. Tap on Continue to finish the process. You can then proceed to use your Klasha virtual card on Rdc instead of PYYPL. Now, social proofs, to show you it's something we've tested and it works. Without any charges. Notice my Klasha dollar balance equals $12.56. I'd have to show this for a better understanding of the subject being discussed. Please, this is not for cyberbullying, it's for educational purposes only. Kindly see it as such, no undue pressure intended to anyone viewing this, please. Thank you. Back to the homepage, you'll see we funded the virtual card with 150,222 Naira, which is the equivalent of $200 at their rate. And first, our NGN wallet was funded. No added charges here. Now, if we check card transactions on Klasha, you'll see the latest transaction on recharge.com. And the charge was exactly $187.99, no extra charge deducted. Which leaves us with the available balance you saw on the card. $12.56. Yes, I had about 55 cents on card from a previous transaction. The point is, the math pars up. No extra charges. Unlike PYYPL, where you'll be charged roughly $196 in total. You get to go home with more profit with Klasha. Cool, right? Tell me thank you. You're absolutely welcome.
Hello?
Oh. Yes, this is why we also stalled the promo codes till now. We got good intentions. It pays to be patient and get the whole idea. Now you can have fun with your earnings. Believe in us, as we believe in you. Now would also be a good time to like, subscribe, turn on the notifications bell, and share this video to all you want to benefit from it. Don't forget you can leave your questions in the comments section below and reach out to Jarvis to be part of the circle. A quick tip. When purchasing Mfinity voucher on Rdc, ensure to set purchasing currency to USD, not NGN. Very important. Here's why. If you set to NGN when buying at Rdc, you'll be charged at a higher black market rate of NGN. That's what happened here. I was charged $196.76 because I was buying with NGN. Fortunately, it failed and we had another chance to buy it right. Do keep that in mind, so you don't have to rely on fortune. Now you know. We draw the curtains at this point. Hope you found today's session insightful. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, turn on the notifications bell, and share this video to all you'd want to benefit from it. Also leave your queries in the comments section and do reach out to Jarvis for inquiries on how to be part of OMC Circle. Remember, each day has enough of its own troubles. Seek the possibilities within it. Catch you on the next session. Adios amigo.